Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that there has been a steady increase in GST collection, and in June 2022, the collections are up by 56% to over 1.44 lakh crore rupees. Addressing 5th GST Day celebration in New Delhi today, Sitharaman said 1.40 lakh crore rupees is the rough bottom line and the monthly GST collections are not going below that. She said June gross GST collection is the second highest collection this year. The Finance Minister said GST has removed discretion to the large extent. Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary said GST has reformed the tax system. He congratulated taxpayers and officers for successfully implementing the idea of one nation, one tax.
And the taxpayers who know when they have to say what they want to say. Today you heard them say what they wanted to say. And there was no stopping us clapping for all the comments that they've given us. But in 2019, they were full of woes on the directions of Honorable Prime Minister. Every minister went to their respective state, and if anything, more states, to go explain what the GST is to everybody, to say, hey, this actually is going to be a good and simple tax.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sang